Hello, good people. Today we have another module on Salesforce. It's a new module. Please, before we begin, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. The subscription button is on your screen at the bottom right. Then after that, allow all notifications, and we shall dive into the first unit. So the first unit has only 3 learning objectives. Please read through the learning objectives. Please go through the notes. We have tables, and at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Which of the following isn't a benefit of adding user verification? Let your end user view their messaging conversation history, protect customer data by registering users to log into your website or mobile app, send a post-conversation survey to your end users, and then let your end users message across device, such as the website and the mobile app. The right answer here is C. How does user verification work behind the scenes? End user logs into the website or app. JSON Web Token is assigned to them. JSON Web Key, verify the JSON Web Token. Messaging history is shown to the end user until they log out. End user logs out of the website or mobile app. A JSON Web Token is assigned to them. JSON Web Keys verify the JSON Web Token. Messaging history is shown to the end user. End user logs into your website or mobile app. A JSON Web key is sent to them. JSON Web Token verify the JSON Web Key. Messaging history is shown to the end user. End user logs into your website or mobile app. A JSON Web Token is assigned to them. JSON Web Key verifies the JSON Web Token. Messaging history is shown to the end user up to 6 hours. The right answer here is A. I'll check my quiz. Moving on. We have 3 learning objectives for this unit. Please go through the learning objectives, go through all the notes. We have tables, we have pictures, and at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Which of the following is not a destination that pre-chat field data can be routed to? A messaging session field, an enhanced bot, a queue, and a voice channel. The right answer here is D. Which of the following usage of a pre-chat data cannot be held by OmniFlow? Use the pre-chat data to route work or information to an agent, queue, skill, or bot. Use pre-chat data to search for a link and link it to record. Customize the pre-chat form or use pre-chat data to update an object. The right answer here is C. I'll check my quiz. Moving on. We have 3 learning objectives for this module. Please go through all the learning objectives. And we have notes. Please go through all the notes to get the best out of this. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. After you add business hours to your messaging for web development, what happens? The chat button is always displayed to the end user on your web page. The chat button is hidden outside business hours on your web page. The chat button is visible to the end user, but a banner tells them the messaging isn't currently available, and a bot greets them and invites them to chat. The right answer here is B. Which of the following are you unable to do when using Show or Hide Chat Button API? Override business hours that are associated with the deployment. Hide the chat button from the lower right corner of the web page. Prevent new chats on a page where subdomain sessions continually is allowed. Add business hours to the deployment. The right answer here is D. I'll check my quiz. Moving on. The second lesson, it has only 2 learning objectives. Please go through the learning objectives. We have screenshots. Go through all the screenshots and then this notes to get the best out of this. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. Which of the following messaging component can't be sent by an agent? Time selector, secure forms, auto responses, and questions with dynamic options. The right answer here is C. Which of the following statement is false? A time selector component lets an end user select an appointment time. A question with the static options lets an end user select their support reasons. An automated response can automatically send you end users post-chat survey. An automated response can tell the customer how many the customers are in the queue ahead of them. The right answer here is D. And I'll check my quiz. Moving on. We have 2 learning objectives for this last unit. Please go through the notes. We have some screenshots. They help you understand this unit very well. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. So the first question is, which of the following is an agent unable to do in an conversation toolbar? Send an emoji, attach a file, ask the supervisor. Ask for supervisor assistance, and then send a dynamic messaging component. The right answer here is D. Which tool cannot be used by messaging for in-app and web agent to respond to an end use? An emoji, a quick text, a voice note, a messaging component. The right answer here is C. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to this channel to get free trial modules. Until then, bye-bye.